For today's activity, you are going to be learning how to build your own train using simple household items. Thomas Rogers is one of the most celebrated builders of locomotives. He originally made cotton looms under his company Rogers, Ketchum, and Grosvenor located in Paterson. But after witnessing the assembly of an English-made locomotive, he went on to create his own. Renamed Rogers Locomotive and Machine Works, his company's locomotive number 119 was used in the creation of the Transcontinental Railroad. The supplies you will need will be 3 empty soap boxes, construction paper, wooden skewers, school glue, cardboard, a glue gun, scissors, a bare tissue roll, cotton balls, and 2 plastic straws. Wrap all 3 soap boxes in construction paper. Then, using a different color construction paper, cut 10 small squares and 2 squares slightly larger to represent the windows. Position 1 soap box vertically and glue the larger squares on the 2 large sides of the box. Then glue a small square on the upper portion of the 2 next largest sides of the box. With the other 2 soap boxes horizontal, glue 2 small squares on both of the large sides of each of the 2 soap boxes. Keeping the 3 boxes in the positions noted above, cut 2 rectangular pieces of cardboard slightly larger than the top of each box, cover them in construction paper, then glue them to the top and bottom of each box. Cut 9 pieces of straw that stretch across the bottom of the soap boxes. Flip the soap boxes upside down and glue 3 pieces of straw to each box. Cut the wooden skewer into 9 pieces that extend slightly wider than the bottom of the soap boxes and stick 1 piece inside each straw. Cut 18 small cardboard circles to form wheels, then hot glue them to each end of the skewers. Let it dry, then flip the 3 train cars over. Cut the tissue roll down to 3 inches and wrap the sides in construction paper. Cut a 3-inch circle of construction paper, make a slit halfway through the circle, then place one end of the slit over the other, and glue it down, forming a shallow cone shape. Next, glue it to one hollow side of the tissue roll. Hot glue the other side of the tissue roll to the front of the vertical train car. With the vertical train car being first, hot glue 2 1.5-inch long pieces of cardboard covered in construction paper to connect the 3 train cars together. Roll a piece of construction paper into a tube about 2 inches tall and hot glue it to the top of the tissue roll. Stretch out a cotton ball and stick it into the tube to represent steam. Lastly, push the train gently and enjoy. And there you have it. You just built your own train using simple household items. Ready for more fun? Come visit the Paterson Museum to explore our Locomotive Works exhibit and discover more about locomotives built in Paterson.